How to add distance widget on Widgetable app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Widgetable app, then go to Friends. From this interface, simply invite your friends via link or any social media app. You can also copy the code and send it to your friends. Next, scroll down and see you will find this option of distance. Now you will just have to add a friend to use this distance application, and your distance widget will be automatically saved. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.